Morning guys, today I'm going to be doing something that I've wanted to do for a while, which is completely clear out my closet. I basically want more money to redecorate my room, so I'm going to sell everything on Depop that I choose to keep and what not to keep. But I have so many clothes that I don't wear, and I'm always like, oh, like maybe I'll wear it like one day. I'm not gonna wear it. Also, look at the cute little artificial plants I got today. This is why I want to redecorate my room, because my room's kind of boring. I've put some new plants here and stuff, and I put this. I bought this. This arrived today, but I just need more money. Okay, look at the amount of clothes I need to get through. So it's all of this, and then it's also stuff like this, like jeans that I haven't worn in like a year. Like I don't think I've worn these in a year. Because I'm not at school anymore, so it's like, why would I wear jeans? I feel like what I might do is do a keep pile and a throw away or sell pile. What I'm gonna sell. And then try on all the clothes for the last time that I'm throwing out. Like I'm definitely gonna keep stuff like this because it's like my green is like my favorite color at the moment, and like my baggy jeans, like I'm keeping these. These are like the best thing that has ever happened to me. And then like all my Brandy Melville Carla hoodies I'm gonna keep. It's just like, I have too many clothes and I want to buy more clothes, and I don't have enough money, so I might as well just get rid of the clothes I don't wear anymore, even though, I don't know, like I have so much black stuff. Like this is like a black jumper that I don't wear. I don't wear black anymore. Last year I wore so much black because I was so depressed. I went to school like in a black hoodie and jeans because I just was going through a phase, but I haven't worn this. I genuinely haven't worn this because I get so hot in my room. Like this colour is so much better than a black hoodie, so I might have to sell. I bought this off Depop as well, and it's in perfect condition. I feel like you always need a black hoodie though. See, this is my problem. I'm like, oh, but I might need it in the future. Like, I'm not gonna need it. Okay, I've started to make a keep pile here, and then my throwaway pile is here. But I have this Brandy Melville cheetah tank, and I know that at one point these were like all the rage. Hang on, let me show you. But I remember these were going for like 100 quid on Depop, but I don't think they are anymore because they're on the website, I'm pretty sure. But I never wear it, but I really like it. I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep it. And then I also have these like funky pants, but I also never wear them, but I'm gonna keep them for when I am confident enough to wear them in public. Yeah. These grey shorts give me the worst wedgie. They're not even mine, they're my brother's, but I just wear them around the house. But these are definitely going away. You can tell I really like the colour green at the moment, because even like my bras are green. It's ridiculous, and I'm painting this wall green in next week. So okay guys, what are we thinking about this hat? I mean, it's just, I bought this hat because I saw Emma Chamberlain wear a hat very similar, but it's just that little bit too small for me. So, and I feel like my ears are like pretty sticky out, like they stick out. I have to, like, it's so bad, oh my god, like I literally have to put them under the hat. But if I do that, it actually looks okay. I'm not sure guys, I might have to sell it and get a bigger hat. See, if I put my hair down, I just feel like I look stupid. I don't know, it's just, Look how stupid I look from that angle. Okay, I think I'm finally done. This big pile of clothes is everything that I'm keeping, like this really cool like dragonfly t-shirt and like a brown Brandy Melville top, which I love. This is new, but I also have a lot of stuff that this is the stuff I'm gonna try on now. Okay, I'm not gonna try on everything, but this, you've already seen these. These I'm gonna give to my sister, I think. This blue jumper I'm gonna sell on Depop because I really don't know why I keep on buying stuff in this colour, because I feel like it doesn't look that great on me. Like, for example, this top, I literally bought it the other day, and it has like, it's from Brandy Melville and has like heart details. But I just feel like it makes me look like like my boobs look really weird. And another blue top. I was gonna get rid of this Urban Outfitters tea dress, but I think I might keep it now because I haven't tried it on in a long time, and I think I kind of like it now. I think I'm gonna get rid of this misguided dress because I have to wear shorts underneath because the slit is so bad. I'm also not sure about this Hawaiian shirt because it's so boxy. Like, it's a really pretty pattern, but I just don't like the fabric, and I just feel like I'm like a Minecraft character. I don't know. This white top is going because I don't know if you can tell, but I just feel like this top makes me look so fat in person. Just like the upper region. Like, I saw a photo of myself the other day and I was like, oh my god, I look really bad. I think this red raglan top and this blue raglan top will also end up getting sold because I know I probably won't wear them a lot, but I might keep them for the time being. This Brandy Melville cheetah top I never wear, so I'm gonna sell it for 10 quid probably on Depop. This plaid skirt I never wear because I always get so self-conscious wearing skirts. Also selling this yellow cami because it makes my boobs look weird. This red v-neck I also never wear. I'm wearing a top underneath it, but I never wear this. And then last things are this, some old jogging bottoms and some old mom jeans that give me flashbacks of 2019, so I never wear them, but they're good quality, they're Topshop jeans. So, and then I'm obviously getting rid of this terrible hat that doesn't fit me. I'm aware that I look a bit rough right now, but I thought I might as well show you some of my favourite stuff in my wardrobe as well, the stuff that I did keep. So there's this Brandy Melville dress that I got, super cute, a flowery pattern. This a 90s vintage skirt I got on Depop. It's like one of my favourite skirts ever. I'll show you my bikini. I love this pattern. I love this green top I have. I just can never find a good time to wear it. As you can see, I get really obsessed about one colour and then just can't seem to get rid of it. Like, I have loads of brown stuff as well. Where are my Ed Hardy tracksuit bottoms are like one of my favourite things in my wardrobe as well. Ed Hardy, these were so expensive. These were like 100 quid, but I did save up for them after like a long time, so I feel like it's kind of justified. But yeah, that's the end of the video. I think I'm going to do a few more hauls and videos like this in the coming days. I'm going to do what I got for my birthday video, and I'm going to be redecorating my room. I've really started to buy like plants and stuff, and I've got a rug coming today, so you can look forward to that. But for now, bye.